control. I go to the wrong lane.
Yeah. So when
I
you
need to the less speed.
turn left, you went on big hill.
Mm-hmm.
What happened there? On the hill. So when you turning left anywhere on any road, which lane you need to be in?
Left lane.
And so there was parked cars on the left. So what we gonna do if the parked cars on the left?
I need to go on the right side.
And if your view is blocked, you for example, if you turn left on this next road, and there's parked cars on the left, so you went on the right, but you can't see because your view is blocked. So what you gonna do?
We need to stop.
No.
And, we need to see.
If your view is blocked and there's cars coming really fast, what you gonna do? Like for the example that there was car approaching really fast, you couldn't see, but you were still going.
So I need to stop there.
So I went on your brake. So why did I touch your brake?
Because of my car speed is too fast.
Yeah.
That's why.
If I don't touch your brake, what's gonna happen?
Maybe I hit the.
You will go into the car.
Yeah.
The car is coming so fast and you are not stopping.
Hmm.
So I went on your brake to slow you down, so you don't go in the car, okay? So that's why I help you in there. So next time when you go on the road,
I don't to do it again.
we're gonna go again.
Yeah.
And we're gonna fix this again, okay?
Yeah.
So let's go out and we're gonna go again and fix this fault, okay? Let's go. So now from here we're gonna go ahead, and this road bends to the left. Can you see the white car
Yeah.
coming from?
Mm-hmm.
This road bends to the left. It's not left turn. It's the road bends to the left. So we don't need to signal.
Okay.
We just go to the left because road goes like this. It's not a left turn. Okay? So let's go. This is fine. So remember the road, okay? Road bends to the left. We just slow down here and look and then go in the road. Good. Now look at the car, so we slow down a bit. Otherwise you're gonna hit the car. Otherwise you're gonna hit the car because you're not coming to the left. You need to steer to the left if the car is there. Again, keep looking and going ahead, and then end of the road we are turning left. So we go in this corner, keep wheel like this, slow down because cars coming from the right, check.
No.
Look there first, then creep forward slowly because cars coming. Very, very slow. Look there, keep looking. If the road is clear, then we are turning, okay? Now. And when you're turning, you need to be here in this road. Slowly turn. Yeah, like this, good. At the roundabout this time we're gonna go ahead, second exit. So where are you going? On the roundabout?
second exit.
Okay. Yeah.
The one is first, the one is second.
Good. This is fine now. Keep going ahead. Keep it there to the right. He's far and go. He will slow down. He will slow down. He will, and you need to slow down as well when you're going. Good. We are taking next road on our right. So next right.
Okay.
Look there.
I need to go in the middle.
Yes,
Is
you
there
need.
box?
You need to go
Yeah.
in the box, but there's a car approaching. Wait, because look, the car's coming. If you go in the middle, you're gonna hit the car then.
No, there is no box.
There's no box. You
Yeah,
need to be
he's
with the.
waiting for me.
You need to be with the line. That's
Yeah.
their lane.
Yeah.
If you go there,
There is
you
no box.
no, there's no box. That's the zigzag line.
Yeah.
You need to stop with the line. If you go in there, you're gonna hit the car because they are approaching. Yeah, keep going ahead now. Slow down. There's a bus coming. Very slow. This is fine. Now we go. Okay, move more to this side. And then we are taking next road on our right. So you need to be straight with this line, and we're gonna take right turn in there, remember? Nice and slow so we can see in the road. Move forward now. Come to this side. That's their way, okay?
Yeah.
Come to this side. And we just stop here. We just stop here. Look at this
Okay.
box.
This
So
box.
we stop next to the box. Look there. If no car approaching, then turn right. Your signal should be on. Need to be on now. Remember this road? How we gonna do it? So we slowly move to this side, but look there if anyone is approaching. So we don't go fast until we see. We need to fix this. He's coming, so we go slowly. This is fine. Now you fix this. Good. End of the road, turn right.
Cyclist.
Yeah. End of the road, we are turning right.
Can I do it again in the roundabout third exit?
Yeah,
Or is the now? Yeah.
no,
Now I will
now
Yeah.
now we're gonna do fourth exit this time, because
exit.
yeah, you
Mm.
you fix this fault. Now we're gonna do fourth exit right. Creep forward a little bit more so we can see in the road, and then stop behind this line, so we can stop, see properly. Can you see properly now?
Yeah.
Both side?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the gap. Good. Is this safe gap? Okay.
Now there is obstruction.
So at the roundabout, fourth exit right, please. Remember your lane position. So which lane we need to be in? Here.
Inner lane.
Okay. Go. So which lane? Inner. And
Yeah.
count.
The one first, the one second, the one is third.
Little bit to the right, otherwise you're gonna go on the curb. You went on the curb. So okay. and go ahead this way, because you counting, you know, you're not looking on the road. It's fine. Keep going ahead. Slow down because he's coming very, very fast. Very fast. Now go. Your signal is still ticking. It's okay. Keep going ahead. We're gonna go ahead this time, okay? And then we need to find a good space to park up on the left somewhere. More to this side. Good. And then take first road on the right, this one. So look at these white line, move forward more.
It's the box.
And next to the box we stop here because this car is coming. Now move forward, but there's a black car coming. So when it's safe, then we are turning. Yeah, let's go now. Okay, that's good. Little bit to the left and go. Keep going ahead now. We're gonna discuss that. It's okay, the roundabout, okay?
Yeah.
And maybe in next session we're gonna fix that mistake again. So what happened there on roundabout? When you were doing fourth exit, right?
This roundabout actually is up and down.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
maybe I'm counting in the exit. First
Yeah.
exit, second exit.
So when you counting, you need to look
Yeah.
on the road as well, where you going. So you count your exits, you go around in inner circle, and then after third exit, you signal left and you move off. You steer a little bit to the right to avoid hitting the curb or going on the curb. Look at the obstruction. What's there? What's happening?
The one is small minibus. So
You're gonna go
I-
around.
I need to. Yeah.
You don't need to signal, but we're gonna go around the bus.
Yeah. I need to check in the right side
Just
mirror.
go and go. It's fine. Now we come to the left. Okay. Check your right mirror here. And why we check in our right mirror? Why we need to check our right mirror?
If someone is behind, but it's front of the obstruction, I need to go in the right mirror.
Yes. Good.
And again I check in the left mirror.
Okay.
I need to come in the left side.
Fine. Keep going ahead. At the traffic lights, turn left. We are turning left. Look at the floor, slow down. Look at the floor, slow down and stop here. So why are we stopping here?
The one box is
Oh.
not to allow. The one is cycle lane.
Okay. So where we need to stop if we see a yellow box
before-
like this?
Before box.
Okay, that's fine. So we are taking next road on our right. We're gonna go there. So look at the floor arrow. We're gonna go in the box this time. Can you see the floor arrow? Yeah?
Yeah.
So we signal right. Go in the box here, middle, and then we stop because there's oncoming black car there. And there's blue car, so it's not safe. We stop here next to the
Yes.
reference. Yeah? Is it safe to turn? Good.